Hello everybody, let's fill up this table which is on page number 65. So everybody take your book, page number 65. So this is a box which you have to fill up. Length, breadth and height is given and you are asked to find out the volume. Okay, in some cases you have given breadth is given, height is given and volume is given. Then how will you find out the length? In some cases, you have to find out the breadth. So, how will you do this? For this, we have some equations. You know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So, if you want to find out the length, what will you do? You have to divide the volume by breadth into height. Okay, in the same way, let's find out the breadth. How will you find out the breadth? Breadth is equal to volume by length into height. Then how will you find out the height? Height is equal to volume by length into breadth. Copy these equations into your notebook. Now let's start doing the first one. First one is length is given, breadth is given and height is given and you have to find out the volume. How will you do the volume? We have already studied how to find out the volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So what is the answer? 3 into 8 into 7. So when you multiply, let's do the first question. First question, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. That is equal to 3 multiplied by 8 and 7. So when you multiply, you will get the answer as 168 centimeter cube. Okay. Now let's find out the second one. Second one, look in your textbook. The length is equal to 6 centimeter and the breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. Height is equal to 5 centimeter. How will you find out the volume? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So that is equal to 6 into 4 into 5. So when you multiply, you will get the answer as 120 centimeter cube. For the third question, length is given, breadth is given, but the height is not given and the volume is given. Then how will you find out the height? Height we can find out using this equation. What is the equation to find out height? Height is equal to volume by length into breadth. What is the volume given? Volume given is 48 centimeter cube divided by length is, look in your textbook, the length is 6 centimeter and the breadth is 4 centimeter. So how will you find out the height? 48 divided by 24. So when you divide 48 by 24, you will get the answer as 2 centimeter. So the height is 2 centimeter. Hope you understood this question. Now let's do the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Length is given, breadth is not given. You are asked to find out the breadth. Height is 2 centimeter and the volume is given. Then how will you find out the breadth? Breadth is equal to, now you use this equation, breadth is equal to volume by length into height. What is the volume? Volume is 48 divided by length is 8 centimeter and the height is 2 centimeter. So 48 divided by 16. So 48 divided by 16, when you do it, you will get the answer as 3 centimeter. Divide and find out the fourth question. Okay, shall we do the fifth one? Let's take the fifth question. What is the fifth question? You are asked to find out the length. Length you have to find out. Breadth, height and volume is given. So how will you find out length? Length is equal to volume by other two quantities, breadth and height. That is equal to, volume is also given as, again it is given as 48 centimeter divided by, what is the length, breadth? 2 centimeter into height Again 2 centimeter. So when you divide 48 by 4, what will you get the answer? You will get the answer as 12 centimeter. Let's move to question number 6. Sixth question, you have to find out the length. Again, you have to find out the length. So let's use the same equation. Volume by breadth into height. Volume is given as, but here it is the volume is given as 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter cube divided by breadth is equal to 2 centimeter and height is equal to 4 centimeter. So how will you find out the length? Length is equal to 80 divided by 4 2s are 8. So when you divide 80 by 8, you will get the answer as 10. So what is the answer? The length is equal to 10 centimeter. Now let's do the last question, the 7th question of this table. Length is given, breadth is not given. You are asked to find out the breadth, height is given and the volume is given. So how will you find out the breadth? Breadth is equal to, let's use this equation. Breadth is equal to volume by length into height. So breadth is equal to volume divided by length into height. So what is the volume given? You check. What is the volume given? Volume is 210 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter divided by length is equal to 14 centimeter and the breadth height is equal to 5 centimeter. So 210 multiplied by 14 into 5. Let's find out what is 14 into 5. So the answer is 70. So how will you find out the breadth? Breadth is equal to 0, 0 get cancelled. 21 by 7. So what is 21 by 7? The answer is 3 centimeter. So we got the answer for all the questions which is given on page number 65, this table. So do these questions in your notebook and then fill up this table. Okay. Thank you.